Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, 40? What 40? For today's video, my name is Christopher Pabito and this is my troops.
Hello guys, I am Robin Ursula Manning.
I am Jeffrey Salas.
Alam nyo guys, napakainit. Tapos napaka-cold niya sa akin. Hindi ko na malaman kung ano yung gagawin ko. Guys!
Hello!
Guys,
Hello!
alam nyo ba yung Alam nyo ba yung Republic Act na 92?
Parang alam ko yun.
Ano nga yun?
RA
Yung...
9729?
Oo, yun.
Oo, alam mo yun, di ba, Salas?
Ano nga yun?
RA 9729?
Ano nga yun, Miss Manning?
Ang pagkakaalam ko is ito ay all about the Climate Change Act of 2009 eh.
Ayon dito sa bato, sa Section 2, Declaration of Policy, it is the policy of the state to afford full protection and advancement of the right of the people to healthful ecology and record within rhythm and harmony of nature. In this light, the state has adopted in the Philippines Agenda 21 framework which fulfill human needs while maintaining the quality of the natural environment for current and future generation.
Alam nyo ba, ayon sa Section 3, ay napakadaming definisyon ang Republic Act 9729. Unang-una ay adaptation. What is this? Adaptation is refers to adjustment in natural human system. It responds to actual expected climatic stimuli and their effects, which moderates, harms, exploits beneficial opportunities. And number 2 is adaptive capacity. Refers to ability of ecological, social, economic system to adjust to climate change, including climate variability, and extremes to moderate or offset potential damage, and to take advantage of associated opportunities with change in climate to cope with the consequences therefore.